Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hyaluronic acid powder at home. First, gather your essential ingredients and equipment. You will need high-quality sodium hyaluronate powder, distilled water, a digital scale, and sterile containers. Ensuring a clean workspace is crucial to prevent contamination. We will then move on to the precise mixing and dilution steps, followed by proper storage and safe application methods. To begin, you will need high-quality sodium hyaluronate powder. For a standard batch, 1 gram is usually sufficient. Always use distilled or deionized water, approximately 100 milliliters, to ensure the purity of your final product. Essential tools include a precise digital scale for accurate measurements, sterile beakers for mixing, and airtight, opaque bottles for storage. A clean, sanitized workspace is paramount to avoid any contamination. Now let's mix. Carefully measure 1 gram of sodium hyaluronate powder using your digital scale. Next, slowly add 100 milliliters of distilled water to the powder while continuously stirring. It is crucial to mix thoroughly until the powder is completely dissolved and the solution appears clear and uniform. After mixing, allow the solution to sit undisturbed for several hours or even overnight to ensure full hydration and achieve the desired consistency. Proper storage is key to maintaining the efficacy of your homemade serum. Store it in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. An airtight, opaque container is ideal to protect it from light and air exposure, which can degrade the product. When applying, use a small amount on clean, slightly damp skin, once or twice daily. Remember, homemade serums have a shorter shelf life. Discard any unused portion after 2 to 3 weeks for optimal freshness and safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.